In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Standard Bank to Capitec. I recommend that you do this process through the Capitec mobile banking app, and in there you'll be able to open the latest version of the app. Once you're signed into your account, scroll down and head over into this section. In this section, you'll be able to find different ways that you can transact your money in between your accounts. So head over into the Transact tab by clicking on the Transact button. In here, go ahead and click on the Transfer Money button to transfer your money from your Standard Bank into your Capitec Bank app. So in here, you just need to select the beneficiary that you want to pay for that transaction. Now, after you have selected that, you'll need to include or enter the necessary information to go through the transaction. Once this is done, specify the amount from the balance available in your account, and once you do this, to initiate a transfer, it is going to go through. It can take up some minutes, hours, or even a day for the money to actually reach the actual account. But as long as you included valid and legitimate details about the recipient, it is going to go through. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, and you'll be able to get this done. And that is how you can basically transfer money from Standard Bank to the Capitec mobile app. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.